Hey guys, what's up everybody? This is Arafat from Make Way for Tech, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make an Android app without coding, and also you can monetize your app to earn money from it. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do click on the subscribe button.
Like a Hellcat.
You have to open any of your browsers in your mobile phone or your computer and type in the address bar appsgeezer.com. You can also find the link in the description. So once you open the website, you will see an interface like this. You have to click on login, and I'll sign in with my Google. You can also sign in with your Facebook or any of your email addresses. Once you sign in, you will see this dashboard. I will switch to desktop mode for better understanding. Dashboard. Now to make your app, you have to click on create app at the right top corner. Once you click on create app, you will see these ready-made templates. These are all the ready-made templates, and there are a few games as well. You just have to put in some information and make your app. So I'll show you how to make a messenger app. So I'll click on messenger template. The messenger template is based on the Telegram's API, so your app will look like Telegram, and also you can publish your app on Google Play Store. That's great. Now click on next, and as you can see here, there are some app settings: action bar color, then background color, message bar color. You can change these colors. You can click on them and change any of the color you want. Okay, now there's a background image and there's a red asterisk on that, so we'll have to upload the background image. That will be your chat background image. So we'll click on attach image and upload this image. Done. Now I will crop this image. And as you can see, it is uploaded. Now we'll scroll down and click on the enable dialogues tab. We'll click on groups tab, channels tab, favorites tab, and calls tab. Now select tabs position. If you want these tabs at the top, you can click on top, or if you want these tabs to be at the bottom, you can choose bottom. You can also change this after making your app and test both of them, which looks better. So I'll choose bottom now, and we'll scroll down. As you can see, a channel's URL. Here you have to put your Telegram channel's URL. To promote your channel's URL, you will put here our Telegram channel URL: https t.me careerjet jobs. You can add one or more than one Telegram channels. Then we'll scroll down and click on next. Now it's asking you for the app name. For the app name, we'll enter careerjet jobs messenger. Now we'll click on next, and here this is the default icon. You can click on custom icon and upload your own icon. We'll upload an icon, upload, and we'll choose this icon. Done. Crop. As you can see, our logo is uploaded. Now here there's a mobile device at the right, so we'll click on that and see the preview of the app. So this is the preview of the chat screen. As you can see, the background image is there on the chat screen. And okay, so we'll scroll down and click on next. Now we'll click on create. Now at the top, as you can see, your app is created. You can see your app ID as well. Now if you want to edit your app, at the sidebar you can see edit. You just have to click on edit to edit your app, and you can change any of the settings you made before. And also there are some advanced settings. Click on advanced, and here you can change your app's package name. So what I will do is I will remove this W, and this looks fine. So this will be my package name of the app. Now I'll click on submit. So the changes have been saved. Now if you want to monetize this app with Google Ads, you just have to click on monetize from the sidebar. Scroll down and see this section, how can I start earning money. So here you can see the first step to start earning money is publish your app on Google Play Store. So you have to upload your app on Google's Play Store, and they have also given a video and a step-by-step guide to how you can publish your app on Google Play. Then second step is connect your AdMob account. You have to make a Google AdMob account and connect it to AppsGeezer. Then the third step is add your app and create ad units. You have to create your app. You just have to make your app and make new ad units in Google AdMob. Then enter the ad units in these spaces and click on save ad units. Then your ad units will be saved. Then what you have to do is you just have to download the APK file and publish it to Google Play Store. To download the APK from the sidebar, you have to click on download. Now this is the download section. Your APK is getting ready. Now it is signing the APK. Once you see the download logo over there, you can click on that and download your APK. Now as you can see, it says app is ready, and you can download it by clicking this download button. Okay. You can also check how many installs your app has got by clicking this drop down. As you can see, there are some apps and there are some installs on each app. You can see the number. So the app is downloaded. Now what we will do is we will install this APK and we will check. So it is installing. I have already made an app on Telegram's API, so I will show you that app once this APK is downloaded. Sorry, I mean installed. So as you can see, the app is installed. I'll click on done. So as you can see it here, the app is installed already. So now what we will do is we'll open it. Click on start messaging. You have to enter your mobile number to sign up. I have already made an app on Telegram's API, so I will show you that app, how it looks like. This is the interface of that app, and this is the sidebar. As you can see, it looks like Telegram. This is the settings. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video.